Ohm's Law. Ohm's Law is discussed in OpenStack's physics as well as our textbook. And the basic relationship V equals IR is that the volts applied to the component is proportional to the current passing through the component. So the volts V equals the amps I times the ohms R, which is called resistance. And let's investigate to what degree Ohm's law is obeyed by some common circuit components. We'll look at a resistor, an LED or light emitting diode, and an incandescent light bulb. So the idea is to have a circuit which is basically like a single loop that consists of a voltage source and the component. In this case, we see a resistor. And it's interesting to see how the meters connect. The ammeter breaks the circuit and gets in the flow, right? So whatever current comes out of the plus of the voltage source goes from left to right through the resistor, and then it's interrupted. It passes through the ammeter and back to the negative side of the voltage source. Whereas the voltmeter sort of just goes on top, right? The two leads of the voltmeter just connect on top of 2 points, in this case, the 2 points that represent the voltage source. What follows now will give you an opportunity to collect volts and amps data for the resistor. And there we have it. Let's move on to the LED. So same circuit, just an LED instead of a resistor. Notice that LEDs may not be so clear here, but they normally have a long lead and a shorter lead. The long lead indicates plus, and we'll see that LEDs, diodes generally, only connect one way. They don't allow current, and if they're reverse biased, they have to be forward biased. What follows now will let you get volts and amps data for the LED. And there you have it. In this animation, the LED didn't actually show to light up, but the dial gauges let you get the volts and milliamp readings. So assignment details will be posted. The purpose of this video was to give you an opportunity to collect data.